The Misunderstood Parrot. A man bought a parrot from a pet store, hoping it would be a fun and talkative companion. He brought it home and tried teaching it various phrases, but the parrot remained stubbornly silent. Frustrated, the man decided to take the parrot to work with him. At the office, the man was on an important conference call when suddenly the parrot squawked, "Hey, who's that ugly guy on the phone?" The man, mortified, quickly covered the parrot's cage. Later, he asked the pet store owner about the parrot's behavior. The owner chuckled and said, "Oh, that's just Kevin. He only talks during important business calls."